The Duxtop Fusion Tea Frying Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a ceramic non-stick surface. This makes cooking and cleaning much easier. The 9.5-inch size is perfect for stir-frying vegetables or making omelets. It feels sturdy because of its stainless steel construction. The heavy-gauge impact-bonded bottoms ensure even heating. This helps your food cook without hot spots. This Duxtop Fusion Tea Frying Pan works on all stovetops, including induction. This is a big plus for modern kitchens. The ceramic coating is smooth like butter. Food slides off easily, and you won't need too much oil. This can lead to healthier meals. Many users praise its performance. They say it heats up quickly and evenly. Plus, cleanup is often a breeze. You can usually just wipe it clean. However, some reviews mention the non-stick performance might decrease over time. This is common with most ceramic pans. Also, a few users had issues with food sticking after some use. Despite this, the Duxtop Fusion Tea Frying Pan remains a popular choice. Its sturdy build and even heating are big advantages. If you need a reliable stir-fry pan, this one is worth a search. Remember to follow care instructions for best performances. Pros: healthy non-stick, less oil needed, titanium reinforced, durable coating, even heat base. Energy efficient, all stovetops, easy to clean, sturdy handle, oven safe, dishwasher safe. Freezer safe. Cons: non-stick fades, food can stick, hard to clean. Oil pools oddly, no lid included. Handle feels cheap, uneven heating, coating issues, pricey for some. Long handle. Awkward features: ceramic non-stick, stainless steel, induction ready 9.5-inch size, stir-fry pan. Heavy gauge, impact bonded bottom, fusion tea, durable, easy to clean. This Duxtop 9.5-inch stir fry pan is made with stainless steel and has a fusion tea ceramic non-stick coating inside, which means food won't easily stick and the pan is tough. It's safe to use on all kinds of stovetops, even induction. The bottom of the pan is thick and made with impact bonding, so heat spreads evenly for better cooking. This pan is strong, should last a while, and is also easy to wash after you're done cooking. This Duxtop 9.5-inch stir-fry pan is made with stainless steel and has a ceramic non-stick coating that is reinforced with titanium, meaning you can use less oil when cooking. It has a thick bottom that helps heat spread evenly and works on all kinds of stoves, including induction. The pan is easy to clean and safe to put in the oven, dishwasher, and freezer. However, the non-stick might wear off over time, and food could stick. Some people might find it hard to clean if food does stick, and oil might not spread evenly. It doesn't come with a lid. The handle might feel cheap, and some users have reported uneven heating or issues with the coating. The price might be high for some, and the long handle could be awkward to use.